A very good morning to all. On behalf of the whole ASMI family and all those who are participating in this webinar on Smart Secretary in a Digital Era, a 5-hour crash course on essential digital skills and competencies conducted by Reverend Father Wilson Abraham MSFS. A warm welcome to you, dear loving Father. I would like to introduce Father Wilson. He belonged to the Nagpur province of MSFS congregation. I am sure that many of our sisters are very familiar with Father as he was preaching retreats and conducting seminars on different topics for our sisters in SS province Nagpur. Still, I am very happy to speak a few words about Father Wilson to the entire group. Father Wilson Abraham MSFS is a man with a dynamic personality and principles in life. He preaches retreats for priests and nuns, conducts seminars and reflections on different topics and taking classes for different groups. He is an energetic and enthusiastic priest with a lot of knowledge on digital world. He is a formator too. He was shining in different levels as coordinator of formation, animator of formation forum, holding 7 posts at a time when he was in Nagpur. From this we can understand that how genius he is. His competency in digital world is very wide. He is very creative and efficient. He has his own website and YouTube channel, and even we can call him as a living Google because he is able to search and find solution for any problem under the sun. He never wastes a single minute in his life, always uncovering new things and upgrading himself to equip others. He is ready to help anyone who asks him. Once I asked him, amidst your busy schedule, why do you offer help for others? He said, when I help someone, I learn new things and I think it is not they but I who benefit much from it. Father Wilson is a warm and friendly man. Anybody can approach him at any time. Using minimum facilities, he earns maximum. That is his policy. At present, he is in Rome for his doctoral studies in Salesian spirituality on the topic Franciscan formation in Angelicum University, Rome. Few days back, our Assistant General, Sister Karuna, had few doubts regarding computer and she approached Father Wilson. He not only cleared her doubt but offered a complete crash course for the whole ASMIs. There is a saying, when we ask God for a flower, He gives away a bouquet. It was such an experience for us. That's why we are able to conduct this crash course now. Though it is very crucial month for Father Wilson, as he is preparing for his thesis and exams, he invested time for us out of his special love for ASMIs. This is actually a 6-month course, but he made it into a 5-hour crash course, that also free of cost. Dear Father Wilson, we do not know how to thank you for sparing your precious time and energy for us. We are grateful to you and we feel that we are lucky to have you with us at this period of pandemic disease when all of us are in lockdown and being at our respective places. We are grateful to God Almighty as well as you. Thank you very much, Father, and once again a warm welcome to you to this webinar.